Hey YouTube, welcome back everybody. Got something a little bit different for you to look at today. This is a model built in Fishers, Indiana. It's called the Wilkemp electric engine, and it says it's truly an engine, not a motor. It operates on a reciprocating principle like a steam engine, but actually driven by a solenoid electromagnet. It develops approximately 1/60th of a horsepower at approximately 800 RPM. So how this operates is this here is a transformer. It takes 110 volt, 120 line voltage and steps it down. And I don't know if you can see back in here, the profile on the crankshaft is also the camshaft, and it operates by pressing down on this contact to complete the circuit. If you can hear it clicking in there, and if you look underneath, it's very simple wiring. We've got our transformer. One side of it just goes to ground, and the other side passes through the plate. It's insulated here, through this insulated plate up to our contact. So it actually grounds through what would be the main bearings. This one here appears to be new old stock. Doesn't appear to be ran, especially by the way that the cord is still coiled up. There's still the paint on it. I do have the decals that came with it. Right here it said Wilkemp Model E, and on the bottom side there was patent information down here. So yeah, it seems to be an exciting little model. I will put a picture up right now. That was from the December 1947 issue of Popular Mechanics. And if you look at it, it was priced at $6.95. Here's how much it would be in today's dollars to buy this little tin model. This one has a different flywheel from the one shown in the Popular Mechanics. But this one appears to be made out of aluminum or zinc metal alloy. It appears the one in the ad was a brass flywheel, so this one could have been a little bit cheaper. Alright, well, let's I'm not sure which direction this one runs. I've never ran this one yet, so we'll put it right there. I don't want to uncoil this cord. We'll move it back a little bit. I've got a plug right here. There. Turn the power on, check for smoke. Okay, well that's good. Well, there goes. I don't know if you can hear that humming. We'll get something out of it. Oh, it wants to go the other direction. Oh, okay. Obviously this one's there. could have possibly just needed to warm up a little bit. I don't believe the 800 RPM that it claims, but I do believe the 1/60th of a horsepower doesn't make a whole lot of power. It doesn't appear to be very well balanced. It's shaking a little bit, but it seems like it's running really well. This may have been the first time this little toy's ever been played with. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera. Underneath, here you can see the breaker points sparking. Just a neat little model. There's a little bit of warmth right here on our solenoid coil. The transformer's nice and room temperature yet. Just an interesting little model from the late 40s, early 50s. It does run. It seems to run really well. Maybe that's the starting issue is just from sitting all those years. It turns over free. Shut this switch off. Yeah, it turns over really nicely. Turn the power back on. It seems to run just fine. Maybe that was just needing to get started. Flip our switch again. Unplug it. But yeah, all original paint. So there. Well, hopefully you guys thought this was something a little bit different than what we've looked at before. Like I said, it's anything mechanical. So yeah, just a kind of a neat little toy to play with. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And in our next video, we have 3 engines. They're the same model, and we're going to figure out why all 3 of them don't work. We'll make all 3 of them run, and one of them will be given away to one of you out there. Please help us grow this channel a little bit. I'm enjoying making these videos. Hopefully you guys are enjoying watching them. So once again, thanks guys. We'll see you soon.